হরি নামে দিয়ে জগৎ মাতালে আমার আমার একলা নিতাই। আমার একলা নিতাই একলা নিতাই একলা নিতাই একলা নিতাই আমার একলা নিতাই একলা নিতাই একলা নিতাই একলা নিতাই হরি নাম দিয়ে জগৎ মাতালে আমার একলা নিতাই।
Hare Krishna, dear devotees, I'm standing at a very, very sacred place here in West Bengal, the famous place of Panihati. Just on the banks of the Ganges behind me. You can see this tree here, a very historic tree. One time, Lord Nityananda was sitting there, and our beloved Raghunath Das Goswami, wanting his darshan, came here, but he was very humble. He was standing some distance away, which is now the exact spot of our ISKCON temple here in Panihati. And Lord Nityananda saw him, and he was hesitating, and Lord Nityananda said to him, "You should come forward, I can see you're a thief. So you come forward here." So he came for darshan with Lord Nityananda, and at that time Lord Nityananda blessed him to have darshan of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So from here, after this program, Raghunath Das Goswami went to Puri to meet Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Calling him a thief in a interesting way, humorous way. He knew he was quite wealthy. So he said, your service is to please all these Vaishnavas with nice prasadam. You feed them a feast of chipped rice. So Raghunath Das Goswami, who had money because it came from a very wealthy family, he fed everyone chipped rice. And that festival is celebrated here every year in Panihati. Of course, the real richness of Raghunath Das Goswami was his wealth of knowledge in Braj Bhakti. He's a Prayojana Guru. He knows the deeper mellows of devotional service. That he learned from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Jagannath Puri. Of course, he's a resident of the spiritual world. He's a Manjari, but these are the beautiful pastimes. So we came here with a group of devotees as beggars. All we really wanted was some chipped rice. But the devotees served us a 21-course feast, which included some chipped rice and very nice Bengali sweets. So we're very satisfied now. We're going to leave to the next holy place. Hare Krishna.
একবার ডাকরে নিতাই গৌর বলে নিতাই নিত গৌর নিত কল্পতরু